welcome back, guys. And we're going to do our first craft. It's not witchcraft, but it is kind of, because it is kind of magical. Anytime you make something out of nothing, to me, that's like magical. That's like witchcraft. Definitely. So we're going to take these, the composition book, this thing, which is called?
Mod Podge.
Mod Podge. It's Mod Podge, not Mod Podge. I hate when people say it. Mod Podge. And Mod Podge actually comes from the Plaid Company, who literally just gave me some like product support and gave me a whole bunch of glittery products to use for a glittery Halloween, and you will hopefully be part of that. So that's all we need is this, and then go to the computer, the magical computer, and print out these pages. I don't know if they're copyrighted or not. Don't care. I don't know. I don't think J.K. Rowling is going to find me. No, they don't mind. They don't mind. So we're just going to print out a couple of these book covers, and we're just going to cover these notebooks. So okay, go ahead and let's pick one of these, and you're going to have to cut it out to this size. So you pick your favorite, and I'll pick my favorite. Which one do you like?
I like this red one.
You like the standard book of spells. Okay,
yes.
Cool. So you got that one. So kind of cut it out to shape. I don't know. You need a pen? I will get you a pen. I'm going off screen. Oh no, I got off screen. Here's a pen.
Sweet.
It's a Sharpie. It was magical. Ha-ha! This is magical. So you love Harry Potter, right?
Of course.
Yes, he does. He loves it. I love Harry Potter too. My kids never got into it. I always wanted to have a Harry Potter party. But, you know, because I know how to do this stuff, and it's like...
It's about time that you have that Harry Potter.
I think so. I think I'm going to have my own Harry Potter party for myself. Harry Potter party.
Yes.
Harry Potter party. It's very hard to say. Harry Potter. Ooh, magical drafts and potions.
Ooh,
that would skill.
Looks very wicked.
Arsenius Jigger. That just doesn't sound right. But
pick a different one.
I like that one, actually.
Right.
What is this one? By Bethesda Bookshot. Okay, go ahead. You go. Start like tracing it around. And then I'm going to do it the lazy way. What's the lazy way, Annie? Yeah, we're going to do it 2 ways. So you take your cover and you just basically, I'll use a pen. I'll use a pen. I'll do it the right way. Yes, I shall take your Sharpie and I shall do it the right way. I was just going to like fold it, but now let's do it the right way. Da, 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 da. Look how interesting this is, kiddos. So... I hope you guys are all getting ready for back to school, and I'm sure you're all like bummed out because you have to go back to school. But you know what? Your parents are thrilled. I hate to tell you this, but your parents are actually thrilled that you're going back to school.
Because you get to learn.
No, because you get out of the house and you're not playing computer games anymore.
Oh, that too.
And eating ho-hos and ding-dongs. Do kids still eat ho-hos and ding-dongs and Twinkies?
I don't think so. Twinkies, yes. But
Twinkies, yes?
I've not heard of those other ones.
No? Really?
Yeah.
Never heard of ho-hos and ding-dongs?
No, just I've heard of them as insults, but never as actual treats.
Well, they used to be treats back in the 70s, kid. Here, this is what's fun. Here, this is what we do at Indiana Jones. Take this.
All right.
And then you just throw it off screen. And we pick it up later. There you go. All right, so we're going to take the Mod Podge, and usually you would put it in a thing, but I'm just going to do this.
Oh.
Yay!
Splendid.
There you go. Okay, go ahead. Put that down there. Here's your little smusher.
Ooh.
It's a brush, but I call it a smusher. Look at that.
Splendid.
Well, your book didn't go all the way to the edge, but that's okay. Look, it looks. And then what I would do afterwards is I would put more Mod Podge on top. Why Mod? Everybody's like, well, why don't you just use Elmer's glue? Why Mod Podge? Do you know what Mod Podge is different?
I don't.
Because this actually, if you put it on top, it becomes a sealant. It actually seals it in. So this one's glossy and there's matte, so you can use either one. And like I use that on these bookies here. Look, see? I took these books and I made them into like spell books. And so you just seal it so that it doesn't like lift up or get damaged or anything. There you go. Our first craft. That was quick and easy. And then next we're going to do, I don't know, I guess we'll do wands. Wands are fun. Yes, we shall do wands. Okay?
Sweet.
We'll be right back.